Hey, it's Devin.
Subscribe, leave comments, and rate this video thumbs up. That's what I said. This is the little girl I want you to meet. She's behind you. We're out behind you here. You should leave comments, rate this video thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you. That's Megan. She's really nice. She doesn't talk like that either. Oh my gosh. Did you see? Come here. Look at my cat. What the shit? I'm so sorry that you had to go through that. I'm not even kidding. That's my real cat. They shaved her. Sassy. Why'd you do such a thing? It's just sad to see that people like you do that to kittens. Shaved cat! Just kidding, got you. But seriously, they did shave my cat. Why? So, yeah. Starting next video, I'm going to do the CheerChick pledge before every single video. And I'm not kidding, that's my real cat. They shaved her. So, this is CheerChicDevin. Peace out.